sharp, slicing tusks. 150 kilos of muscle. A warthog is imposing. And this mongoose knows just what it's after. A little pampering. The boldest mongoose gets the pick of the juiciest ticks. As the rest of the team join, the warthog gets a thorough grooming. Soon, more clients are trotting into the mongoose spa. The mongoose even mark returning customers as their territory. Those small and smart enough work even the most intimidating animals to their advantage. Oxpeckers can reach the highest of prizes and use their sharp beaks to pick off parasites. When one host has had enough, they move on to the next. Oxpeckers get almost all their food on the hoof. With a bit of ingenuity and a very strong stomach, little animals make the most of the migration.